Hi friends, I am very excited today. Tonight I am heading for a 34-day trip, which is the longest trip in my life so far. I am heading to United States of America, then onwards to Bahamas, Bogota, Colombia, Panama, Costa Rica, and also Canada. So for this very long trip, I am trying to keep it as lightweight as possible, do it in as little budget as possible. In this particular video, I'm going to talk about my packing for this trip. As I said, I'm going to keep it very light. Let us see what all I'm going to carry. On this left, the clothes, the main components, I am taking only 5 sets of clothes. My plan is to use the laundry service, get it washed and reuse them for about like 4 to 5 weeks. I can manage this way. I don't have to carry a lot of clothes so that I can avoid the check-in bag. That's my main motive. I'm carrying a rain cover just in case it rains in other places. I'm carrying a hat. I'm carrying a jacket that is crucial because some of the destinations are very cold. I'm also carrying an umbrella in case it rains. I'm carrying a power bank that is very essential. I'm carrying a padlock that is usually needed in hostels and other places. I'm carrying a laptop. This is itself is a 2 kg one. I could have avoided it, but I felt it is necessary. I can do some blogging, I can do some work on the go, or when I get bored I can use it for some entertainment. So I am carrying this. So over here, a small bottle of perfume. It was given in the Vista airline last month, so I thought I can fresh up using this. I'm carrying a T-SIM global SIM card that I can use for data and communication. I'm carrying some printouts. I hate this to print a lot of stuff, but it's a lot easier if I have a hard copy in my hand than trying to show things on mobile in various places. So I am taking some printouts with me. I'm carrying a universal adapter so that charging is not really an issue. I'm carrying a belt pouch. So this has been very useful pouch for me, quite rugged, quite spacious. I can carry a lot of stuff inside, so I can put it on my waist. I can carry a lot of stuff while I move around. I am carrying a GoPro camera as my secondary camera. In my recent trips, I didn't use it much. I was managing everything with mobile. But this one I thought, okay, I will carry a GoPro as a secondary camera or try to make some videos using that. I'm carrying one selfie stick for the GoPro. I'm carrying one extra memory card for the GoPro's chargers. I'm taking one fitness band with me. It will serve as it will be a good accessory to have on the go. Couple of charging cables. I'm carrying a pen, and here I'm carrying a few packets of pickles. The idea is to cut on the food expenses. If I can't get something decent, my plan is to buy some bread or a bun and like have it with the pickles so that my food expense is under control. I have some toilet items. This is going to be my main bag. Everything I have here should fit into this, and ideally should fit within 7 kgs. That is the cabin bag allowance. This is going to be an extra small pouch. This fits as a personal item. I can carry some little extra items in that if at all required. It's absolutely lightweight. Got it during Nexon event. So this is all going to be with me for the 34 days trip. I hope I should be able to manage well with these items. Thank you very much for watching. I will make short videos as I keep traveling, try to upload it on the go. So stay tuned to my channel. Thank you very much.